Ki Samla Pulie Jongka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science, CAU Imphal Umyam, Mentak Step Kilami Padba Ban Penlong Ya Kajingki, Bat Shongkalan Mungor, Hapo Pilau Jongka School Ba. Kani Kajingki Kalong Bandawai Ki Bor Pinyan, Bakin Wengkam Mardorno Yo Professor Pranab Datta, Chairman ka School of Crops Protection, Ubala Shakino, Bo Udon Kti Ha Kajingele Kinchlen Persha Yakaway ka Samla Pulie, Hapo Katay Kajaka Pulie. Kitay ki samla pulie ki bawan na ki jala ba pher ban biteng ya ki jing pulie ha CPGSAS klapin pau ya ki jing smokhya ka bajur halor katay ki jing jia kila ong ba katay ki jingele kin shleng kabala kin no prisha yu professor Pranab Datta kala jia na du kini ki banai bala dem bat kala wanra ya ki jing siir bat jing bitar hapdeng ki samla pulie Katkum ke jingit hu jong ki para samla pulie halor katay ki jingjia kila deb ban ujorsh ki bor badai peng hinrei hadu minta ampat shimladon kanu ka sinjam bala shim persha ayutay professor
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.